Good afternoon, Sir Manuel Impact. And mag-discuss din ko sa sir, sa math ni midterm and final activity nimo, sir. And ning midterm mo, sir, ning basic derivative 5 item. And ang question na ni sir sa basic derivative 5 items and midterm ni sir na cancer na activity, sir, na wala jud ako na submit, sir, and pasensya kay sir. And question number 1, sir, is find the derivative of f open parenthesis times closing parenthesis equals 5 times 2 plus 3 times minus 7. And akong gikonduran ni sir is, ang akong nakuha ni sir is, di kuha na ako, sir, di maklaro, sir. Walang picture niya, sir. Okay, sini mo, sir. D line, D divide D times open parenthesis times n closing parenthesis equals n times n minus 1 n. Second, akong ang gisolve ani is d divide dx and open parenthesis f open parenthesis x closing parenthesis equals cd divide dx and open parenthesis open parenthesis, sir, is f and open parenthesis, sir, is x and closing parenthesis, sir, is d, and third, d divide dx open parenthesis f open parenthesis x closing parenthesis is g open parenthesis x closing parenthesis equals d divide dx and open parenthesis f open parenthesis x and closing parenthesis plus divide dx open parenthesis g and x closing parenthesis. And ang gigana na, sir, is apply the power rules and constants multiply rows to each terms. Marcel, ako aning gigo sa apply the power rules and constants multiply rows to each terms, there is akong gihimo divide dx nako and akong gikon open parenthesis 5 times 2 closing parenthesis equals 5.2 times 2 times 2 minus 1 equals 10 times. And akong gi-combine the derivatives f open parenthesis x closing parenthesis, equals 10 times plus 3. And ang answer ni sir is, sa question number 1, find the, ang gihatagan ni na answer sir is, sa find the derivative of f parenthesis, open parenthesis, x and equals 5 times 2 plus 3 times minus 1 is, ang answer na ko ni sir is f degree, open parenthesis, x equals 10 times plus 3. Muna yun nakuha na ko sa answer sir. And sa question number 2 sir is, find the derivative of f, open parenthesis, x equals 4 times 3 minus 2 times. And question number 3 sir is, find the derivative of f, open parenthesis, equals 7 times minus 9 point. And question number 4 is, find the derivative of f parenthesis x the times of box times box point. And 5, find the derivative of f, open parenthesis, x equals 10 times 2. And ang answer na kuha ng question number 2 sir is, find the derivative of f, open parenthesis, x. And answer na kuha ni sir is, ang equal 4 times 3 minus 2 times kay, answer na ko sir is f degree, open parenthesis, times equals 12 times 2 minus 2. And question number 3 sir is f, open parenthesis, x equals 7 times minus 9. Ay, ang akong nakuha ni ako ang pagkuha na ni sir pag himo kay divide dx, open parenthesis, 7 times 7 times closing parenthesis equals 7.1 times 1 minus 1 equals 7. And gi-combine the derivative f degree, combine na sir is, ang answer na ko ni sir is f degree, open parenthesis, times closing parenthesis equals 7. And question number 4 sir is, find the derivative of f, open parenthesis, times closing parenthesis divide x box. So nakuha ng number 4 sir, activate grade the basic determine first is sir, nakuha question number 4 sir is f degree, open parenthesis, times closing parenthesis equals 2 times. And proceed tayo sa napaday number 5 sir. find the derivative of f open parenthesis x closing parenthesis equals 10 times 2. Answer na ko ni sir sa question number 5 sir kay f degree open parenthesis times closing parenthesis equals 20 times. And proceed tayo sa grade 2 activity. Tayo sa 2 sir. Kaning basic integration 5 items sir. Kailangan ako ipakita sir kay kanang sa magaw kayo sir. Basahin ako ang consent. Question 1. Open parenthesis. Number 1. Line. Open parenthesis 4 times x plus 2 closing parenthesis dx. And ang second answer guys, line 6 times 2 dx. And 3 9 10 dx. Question number 4 sir is 3 open parenthesis 3 times 3 minus 5 3 times squared 3 minus 5x closing parenthesis x dx. Question number 5 sir is 9x 8x dx. And ang answer na ko aning sa answer sa number 1 sir ning open parenthesis 4 times plus 2 closing parenthesis dx is and ang answer na ko aning question number 1 activity 2 sir is basic integration 5 items is second sir ay ang first sir kay kaning answer sir is 2 times 2 plus 2 ay 2x squared 2 plus 2x plus c. And second sir is cx squared 2 dx is answer na ko na sir is 2x squared 3 plus c. And proceed tayo sa number 3 sir ning open parenthesis 3x squared 3 minus 5x closing parenthesis dx. Kaya answer na ko na sir is answer na ko na sir is 10x plus c. And number 4 sir is open parenthesis 3x squared 3 is minus 5x dx. Answer na ko na sir is 3 divided by 4 x 4 minus 5 divided by 2 x squared 2 plus c. And number 5 sir is question number 5 sir sa basic integration 5 items sir is activity 2 is 8x dx is answer na ko na sir is 8 is equals 4x squared 2 plus c. And proceed naman ta sa third sir this kaning distance between 2.5 items. Question number 1 sir is e open parenthesis 2.3 closing parenthesis, and B, open parenthesis, 6.9, closing parenthesis. And second answer is A, open parenthesis, 0.1, closing parenthesis, tapos B, open parenthesis, 4.5, closing parenthesis. Question number 3, sir, is open parenthesis, minus 2, minus 1, closing parenthesis, is B, open parenthesis, 3.7, closing parenthesis, and ang 4, sir, is A, open parenthesis, 0.0, closing parenthesis, and B, open parenthesis, by 0.12, closing parenthesis. And number 5, sir, is E, open parenthesis, 3.8, closing parenthesis, point B, open parenthesis, 9.2, closing parenthesis. And proceed naman tayo sa page 4, sir. Sa midpoint of a line segment, 5 items. Ang instruction na, sir, is find the midpoint of the segment when it midpoint. And first question for this sir, is E, open parenthesis, 2.4, closing parenthesis, point B, open parenthesis, 6.10, closing parenthesis. Nakuha na ko ang answer. And answer na ko na ning this 4 series ning number 2, sir, is A, open parenthesis, 1.3, closing parenthesis. Open parenthesis is B, open parenthesis, 5.7, closing parenthesis is equals 5. And 3, sir, is A, open parenthesis, divide, open parenthesis, minus 2, point minus 1, closing parenthesis, point B, open parenthesis, 3.7, closing parenthesis, equals 89. Tapos 4, E, open parenthesis, 0.0, point, open parenthesis, 8.4, divide 13. And kanang wrong ko dahil ko, sir. Akong na-explain sa distance is test 3 dahil to, sir. And proceed ko sa test 4, sir. Sa akong answer, sir. Test 4. Ang answer ako sa test 4, sir, is number 1, is open parenthesis, 2 point minus 4, and closing parenthesis B open parenthesis 6.10 closing parenthesis, and number 2 is this for second question. Number 2 is A open parenthesis 1.3 closing parenthesis B open parenthesis 0.7 closing parenthesis, and 3 question number 3 is E open parenthesis minus 3 point so minus 1 closing parenthesis B minus open parenthesis 3.5, and for 4 is E closing open parenthesis 0.0 closing parenthesis, and B 8.4 closing parenthesis, and number 5 is E open parenthesis 3.6 closing parenthesis is B open parenthesis 9.12 closing parenthesis. And moro to sir sa discussion sa midterm and final activity sir ning answer ning B this one basic derivatives 5 items. This 2 is basic integration 5 items. This 3 is distance between 2 points, and this 4 is midpoint of a line segment. And thank you very much sir, and good afternoon again.